Hi YouTube, welcome to the channel. Just thought I'd record a quick video to explain what Electro Cat Studios is and what we do, what sort of thing you can expect from this channel. A few years ago I bought a Raspberry Pi. That's one of these things. It's basically a tiny computer, very cheap, very accessible. I bought one of the very first models and I was super excited when it arrived, but it sat on my shelf for about 6 months. I didn't really know what to do with it. And eventually I found some resources and things to help get me started, but essentially what this channel is, I'd like to help people get started in the way that I did and give them some cool projects and things to really sink their teeth into. We run a weekly email with some cool projects from all over the web. You can sign up at electrocatstudios.com. There's a link in the comments. Over the next few weeks we're going to be looking at web development, specifically HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We're going to be doing some Python, probably some C, looking at Arduino development, Raspberry Pis. But of course the channel wouldn't be anything without you guys, so if there's anything you'd really like to see covered or a project that you've always wanted to do but never knew how to do it or get started, feel free to leave a comment or send me a message or whatever, and we'll see about recording a video to do that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course sign up to the weekly email on the website. That's electrocatstudios.com.